Safe to say, I need to get a poncho. That's the next thing to buy. Something nice and big to fit over me and the backpack. Now I don't mind my shirt getting wet, as long as I keep the backpack dry. So I've got 2 t-shirts in the backpack. Well, vests. Oh well, could be worse. I could be Irish. Or Jewish. No plan is set in stone. Due to how windy it's getting, it's not rain coming straight down, it's wind going sideways as well. So yeah, the shirt, I don't mind getting wet. These things, the combats, they're they're cheap. They're very, very thin. Tissue paper. Which means, if they get wet, I'm knackered. And as I got to go to the top of that hill, zigzagging, yeah, so wear the jacket. I mean, it's a Bergen. Pretty much everything in the backpack should stay dry. So, and you're always conscious when you pack stuff that you want to keep the waterproof stuff on top, just in case it does leak. So anything that's porous, going to suck up water, is lower down. And now I'm basically prevaricating because it's a bit wet and getting heavier. And it's meant to last till tomorrow, but yeah, sod it. I have kit. Cold camp tonight, but I've got some sausages I've cooked. And in the morning, coffee. If I can find some dry twigs. Ish. Easier without spine damage. Yeah, once I get past the next half mile, well, half mile, it shouldn't be too bad, wet wise. I mean, as it is, I'm a bit damp, leg wise, from the waist down, but I'll just wear them, they'll soon dry off. Oh crap. It's making the teenage cows horny. They're gallivanting around. Poor sheep. Fuck it, but you know, I am Batman.
I am Batman with my cape.
At least this time, I'm not going to be rushing to the top of the hill, which is what I normally do. It's just, you know, last minute thing. This time, an extra half an hour. So, shit, I'm sweltering. Because I'm wearing the waterproof jacket and my tarp, just to keep the rain off. And hope my ass is going to be still dry when I get to the top. Right, sod it. CCTV operation. Yeah, it's a joke. They paid for the bloody signpost, they didn't pay for the camera, so. You see, they're saying people who put barbed wire around the styes for you to go through. It's a public footpath, but they put barbed wire around it. I mean, if it was me, I'd just build an enclosed bloody footpath so they can't go piss about with the animals, rather than just trying to murder people. Today's fashion is a tarp. Okay, made it to the woods, and it's not protecting me from the rain very much. So, little break. It's the wind that's pushing it through. I'm not taking a short route up which is quicker, but it's fucking exhausting because it's a mountain bike trail. And the asthma kicked in just now. You get to a certain point in the field where the humidity really crushes your lungs. Yeah, a bit windy. I've not used the hammock in the rain really so far. I've prepared for a rain setup. I've not actually done a rain setup, not in the rain. God, hair's wet. I think it's going to be a case of, there's no point in me trying to do a fire. I could try and find somewhere a bit more sheltered, but with this wind, the drought we've had the past few years, a lot of the trees are losing their leaves anyway, so it's just too much holly. That's the problem. Wherever I tie up, there's run the risk of getting stabbed by holly and the hammock getting damaged. So, fucking toothache. Shit. I mean, I could just stay here for a bit. I'm protected. I'm sitting on the backpack. Top of it's wet, but I'd rather keep my legs as dry as possible. Okay, not as wet as possible. But yeah, doesn't even occur to me to go back. This is my mental health. Well, that bullshit. It's kind of true, but I don't like labelling things. Like, you know, it's mental health. No, it makes you feel good. You don't have to label it. It's fun. It makes you feel happy. It doesn't have to have a label. Going for a yomp in the woods with me hammock and some sausages. Just occurred to me that for the first time in several years, I actually bought alcohol. Normally I just make my own. So I did actually buy, I think it was 24 can pack of Carlsberg. I could have bought a can. No, if I drink that, I'm never going to buy it. It's not the alcohol content, there's not much in there compared to mine. But it's the fizziness, the gas just slows you down. Right. Once more onto the beach. I didn't bring that much water either, I only brought 2.25 litres. So that's basically 3/4 of a litre-ish for my coffee in the morning. It's an 800ml pot. And that pretty much gives me just under 1.5 litres to drink. Oh, I could do with a bath. Scratching the sweat off my neck and it's coming away in black lumps. Yeah. I'm single, I'm allowed to be grubby. If you're worried about dirty fingernails, don't go in the fucking woods. Also, there's like some moisture on your finger and the phone won't open unless you put in a PIN number. Fucking Americans. Constantly making sure you're human. Yeah, if you get under your tarp, you soon dry out. Just a bit of moist. I'm slipping up your fucking hammock. Bergen. Yeah, you kind of dry out pretty quick. A little bit of motion generates heat, and you do dry out. So yeah, I'm gonna get back, get set up, and I'm probably just gonna like strip off, and I don't know, just hide in the hammock, I suppose. Hello trees. Fucking hard work. And a lot of sheep. Sexy things they are, see? Nice thing about the really thinness of these bloody things, they dry out quick when you're walking. Whew, shit. Humidity is killing me. Spying on me. Fuckers are stalking me. What you gotta make those eyes at me for? I don't mean what they say, oh lovely boy. At least someone appreciates my singing. It's okay, I'm not Welsh, don't worry. I eat you, but not in that way. Yeah, see? It's always tempting to stop here somewhere, like in one of the ditches, but that's where the first hammock died. Slate walls, like this one. It's the bugs, that's the main thing, and rats. I know, I call it rabbits, living in the holes in the ground that go squeak. There's just too many bugs. It's a lot of leaves come down the past week. thing is, there's not too many places that are actually a good location. Unless I go and start cutting down branches, like holly trees, which I don't want to start cutting down branches. If I'd known 2 months ago, I'd be doing this every single Saturday, come rain or wind or whatever, I would probably do something like that. But I don't want to do anything permanent damage, like cutting off branches, because it makes it too obvious. I don't like cutting down trees either, but it makes it too obvious that I'm camping out and some fuckwit can go and put a camera up and try and get me in shit. I've got a hole in my fucking trousers. Biggest hassle right now is that I just noticed my torso is soaked from wearing this waterproof and the walking. And I already had health issues anyway because of the rotten tooth that won't come out. So it means I'm guaranteed to get a cold at least if I get myself warmed up. I'm not going to do a fire, there's no point. But if I can get myself snuggled up, I've got my oven ready to go on top, and if the undercoat doesn't work, I can have the oven ready underneath me as well. So, my worst case scenario, the undercoat, I can use that as an extra sleeping bag inside the hammock, if I have to. I can always improvise. Fuck. Yeah, my lungs are really, really not happy. So when you get asthma, it's like your lungs are being crushed with a sopping wet towel. It's like being waterboarded. It's fun times. I never had asthma until I went to Ireland. And I got it within 6 months. 20 years on the run, damp fucking lungs. Never goes away. Right, fuck it. Which way? That way, I suppose. Same old locations. So some vindictive cunt kicked over my fireplace. Oh dear, that would take me at least 5 minutes to rebuild. I wasn't going to bother with a fire, but I'm being swarmed by bugs. A lot of fucking bugs. The rain is not getting to me here at the moment. Good oak tree. Give me protection. I'm stoked from sweat. Just had a sausage, but I can't chew it very well because my mouth's swollen. Yeah, you can see like rain coming down there. And up there. Here, it's okay. What I was going to do was put the polytunnel plastic up first and then work underneath it, but as the rain's not coming down here because the tree's protecting me, hammock straight up so I can sit down somewhere. But first thing first, rebuild the fireplace and then just burn up some leaves basically. I'm not going to start a fire to cook anything. Don't have anything really, but sausages. It's literally, I'm just going to get a little fire going so I can get rid of these fucking bugs because they're driving me batshit. Plus being sweaty means you attract them even more. So yeah, fireplace.